What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So my most anticipated phone of 2020 has arrived, the LG V60. This device here, and I made a live stream about this. This device will be my daily driver in 2020. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been having this phone for about 24 hours and it has not disappointed me. And this phone is almost checking all my boxes. So let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Woo, the V60 in the building. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the LG V60, one of my most anticipated phones of 2020. I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna tell you, I passed on the LG V50 because the device was released and it was hard to get. It was exclusive on Sprint and I gave up on the phone. Now, I was waiting on the V60 and finally, I've been having this phone for about 24 hours. And I'm gonna tell you, this phone is checking all my boxes here. Let's talk about the specs. You got a huge 6.8-inch POLED display, 1080p. We got the Snapdragon 865 processor with 8 gigs of RAM in this one. We got 128 gigs of internal storage. We got SD card support. We got dual cameras on the back. You got all the bells and whistles. You got a headphone jack with that ultra quad DAC. Look, that's what I'm talking about. The quad DAC is back. And if you buy this device on like T-Mobile or whatever, you could get the dual display case with this device. Listen, under $1,000. Let's go and talk about the design. Look, this phone kind of reminds me of a Galaxy S10 Plus 5G. It has a camera array on the side. It's a beautiful collectible device. I got the blue version with the nice little accents on the side. You got a flat display and the back is a little curved, but the front is flat, which is nice, right? And I'm gonna tell you, it got a little heft to it. This is not a light device. And look, this phone is solid. I mean, it is really solid. I like the heft with this device because it's not like it's a light device. It's very heavy. Even when you put the case on, oh God, when you put the case on here, it's very heavy. Look, some people might like it, some people may not, but this device is overall a heavy device. Let me go and talk about some of the things that the boxes that this device is checking off. Let's talk about it. The headphone jack, quad DAC, woo! Let me tell you, quad DAC is back. And look, I was listening to my Master Dynamic headphones with the quad DAC and it sounded extremely good. I mean, God, I missed the quad DAC in LG phones. Look, I've switched to Samsung devices because Samsung was giving me more bang for your buck and a lot of features that I like the Galaxy Note. But plugging up headphones to this device, the quad DAC is king supreme. The third thing that this device is checking off for me is the cameras. Look, manual mode on this device is like no other. And I'm gonna tell you, this device can shoot in 8K. And not only that, it can shoot in 8K, it can shoot manual mode in 8K, 24 frames per second. Boof! I'm telling you right now, manual mode at 24 frames per second is a creator's dream. So, and then also you can use manual mode at 4K 60, 4K 30, and everything in between. So manual mode on here, and not only that, but you can adjust your audio with this device in manual mode. Now look, when we talk about the cameras, y'all guys already know that I am going to give you guys a multiple full camera reviews with this device. So don't worry about that. I got a lot of videos coming out as far as camera reviews for this device, but I did shoot some footage. Let me go and show you some still footage right quick with this device. Check this out. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the LG V60, and I'll tell you, I'm looking at the display, and it looks absolutely amazing. Now, a lot of y'all guys that's watching this video, y'all might think that I'm shooting this with a green screen. This is not a green screen, by the way. My green screen is over here. I'm in my studio. I set up my studio a little different, but no, I have my green screen here, and I have this whole wall right here that's set up with my new type of studio setup here. So yes, this is the front-facing camera of the LG V60. Let me know what y'all guys think about the audio and the video of the LG V60. So far, looking good, looking really good. And I have a whole slew of videos coming out for the LG V60. Another check mark on the list for the LG V60 is battery life. So far I've been having this phone for about 24 hours. I took it out the box about 60%, right? And I have not plugged this device. I've been rocking and rolling, filming with it all day, and I'm at about 20%. So it had got me throughout the day, having it, took it out the box, setting it all up, playing games, shooting a couple of shots with it, shooting a little video with it, and everything in between, and I still got about 20% battery life using the dual case. That is extremely good. I think the battery life on here is going to be great. 5,000 milliamp battery. I think it's going to be fantastic on the LG V60. All right, so last but not least, 24 hours with this device. And this is the most exciting part of this device. This phone has a welcome digitizer in it. And look, it's so crazy. If you go into the settings, you can see that it has pin support. It's in the settings, but we didn't know about it. LG didn't market it. They didn't talk about it, but it has pin support. That is nice. Now, if you watch my YouTube channel, I made videos about the stylo devices. And I always say that the stylo software, the software was there. It just needed the power. I've been complaining about this for a very long time, saying that the LG devices need to have pin support, right? It needs to have pin support, but be on a flagship device. Boom, we got it here on the LG V60. This device has a welcome digitizer on it. I have already ordered a pin to support this device, and it already have the software for this device already on here. Look, we didn't even know. I mean, it's like it just came out of nowhere that we found out that the V60 has pin support and the software is already here. So it has the software, almost the same software as Samsung, right? You could do everything, annotations and everything in between with the pin and pin software with this phone. It has it. LG has ported over the stylo software to this device and didn't even market it. They don't even tell nobody about it, but it does check my box. And shame on LG for not marketing it, but hey, it's all good. We always find out things the hard way. But this phone right here is my most anticipated device of 2020. I'm glad I have it. I actually have my main SIM in this phone. I have my main SIM in this device, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be rocking it till the wheels fall off. And I got a lot of in-depth videos coming out for the LG V60. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about the LG V60 in all its glory. Woo, we about to rock and roll and have some fun with the LG V60. See you guys on the next video. Peace.